I'm Trisha Dunlap, Managing Partner of Dunlap Law, a small business law firm in Virginia, here today to talk with you about contract drafting. But first, a big shout out to Morris Cardio. Thanks for your comments and for following our channel. Okay, now back to contract drafting. I know that sounds boring, but hang in there. This is super important for business owners to understand. I'll do my best not to rant, but I might not be able to contain myself. 3 times this month, clients have sent over contracts that they plan to sign. All 3 of them were so badly drafted that we had to advise our clients not to sign them without significant revisions. One client actually chose to switch to a different vendor rather than have us revise the poop-filled bag on fire of a contract that had been put forward. We see it all the time. Contract drafting is a unique type of writing. It's both skill and art, with the skill honed over many years of practice. Poorly drafted contracts typically have these flaws. Number 1, ambiguities. Clauses drafted so that multiple different interpretations could each be legitimate. Number 2, inconsistencies. A unique term might be defined in one way in paragraph 2, but defined differently or used differently in paragraph 6. Contradictions. Believe it or not, sometimes one paragraph can actually contradict another. Which one controls? Who knows? And number 4, improper punctuation. Incorrect placement of a comma can fundamentally alter the meaning of a sentence. Here's the real problem. You are not going to spot these flaws because you're too close to the deal. Consider, after weeks of back and forth, you and the other side have finally agreed on terms. You know what you mean. They know what they mean. Now it's time to put that into writing. When you read the draft contract, your brain will interpret the language according to what you already believe about the terms of the deal. That's called confirmation bias, and it prevents you from accurately assessing the quality of the contract language. At Dunlap Law, we draft contracts with language so clear that months from now, when memories fade, both sides can use it as a resource to resolve misunderstandings or differences in recollection. The language must be highly precise so that only one interpretation is possible. Otherwise, your argument now includes not only whatever you were originally arguing about, but also how the contract should be interpreted. The result? Misunderstandings escalate and you land in court, hoping that the judge interprets the contract the same way that you do. A well-drafted contract keeps your business relationship on track. It prevents or helps resolve misunderstandings, and it keeps you out of court. You cannot afford to sign a contract without our review first. We routinely provide our clients with what we call a red flag memo that explains what needs to be revised and provides alternative language. We empower you to negotiate better language. I hope this video has been helpful. At Dunlap Law, we're more than lawyers. We take a holistic view of your business challenges and advise you accordingly. Only you can protect your business. Let us help. Follow us on social media and sign up for our newsletter to learn more. Post down below with questions or comments, and maybe I'll use it in a future video. I hope you'll like, subscribe, and share. I'm Trisha Dunlap with Dunlap Law, a small business law firm in Virginia. Thanks.